Wherever you are in New Zealand, scientists nearby are helping unlock smarter, greener options for food producers and developing innovative new products backed by science for market. With 1,000 employees at sites across New Zealand and globally, plant and food research is not only the science behind some of New Zealand's fresh fruit superstars, like Zespri's Sungold kiwi fruit and T&G's Jazz and Envy apples, but also works across the food and beverage sector, helping companies with their R&D needs. Erin Ma is one of a team of business managers. It's their role to match the right science expertise to the needs of their clients.
In terms of what we do here in food innovation, that is breadth and depth of knowledge across the space, which is quite unique when it comes to consumer products. So we can touch upon or work in any part of a product's life cycle, right from the concept or ideation, right through to a finished product and what consumers might think about that.
As a research organisation, the scientific rigour applied to every aspect of the process is critical.
Our customer base is any food or beverage business, but increasingly as well nutraceuticals and supplement companies that are looking to validate claims that they make around the products that they're formulating. We've also got a food health and information team, and they have that deep regulatory knowledge to support companies with what they can and can't say around a particular product, but also to help inform our clinical trials. They are done in a way that the regulators are ultimately going to be able to accept that evidence that we produce.
One such client is Aotearoa, a food technology company that produces products targeting brain health.
We came to Plant and Food with an idea of wanting to create a high-value brain health drink that we could qualify by science and then export to the world. Plant and Food had the capability to understand at the farm level how blackcurrants grow and what makes New Zealand blackcurrant so amazing, but also at the human nutrition intervention level, and do it in a way that delivers us peer-reviewed, published research out the other end to hopefully move towards health claims.
Turiri Macadamias, based in the Eastern Bay of Plenty, has been working with plant and food research for many years.
We're always known as being the biggest and the best tasting, but there was never any evidence as to why that was. And now we can prove that we have the best and highest nutritional value macadamias in the world.
As well as traditional product R&D, plant and food research can provide insights into potential market opportunities and the wants of the consumer. Research psychologist Denise Conroy is team leader for stakeholder research.
Our role is to understand the consumer and the market, and to make sure that our clients understand the consumer and the market. Many products fail in market, and that is usually because there's been no effort put into understanding the market in the first place.
The plant and food research team employ many methods to understand the consumer and future-proof products, ranging from tasting food products to using Lego blocks to gain a deeper understanding of the wants and motivations of the consumer. And as the New Zealand food industry looks beyond the domestic market, so does Denise and her team.
Traditional markets are Australia and China, but we're now exploring Vietnam, for example, because that's a rapidly growing market, and several other Asian markets too.
The future for us with Plant and Food looks like a hopeful breeding program with blackcurrants, more human clinical interventions of our formulation, and the discovery of a world-first molecule.
Plant and Food have actually improved the marketing of our macadamia varieties by enabling us to have our own Torere macadamia's nutritional data on the back of each pack. Absolute game changer.